Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you just how to make this very simple and easy soup. My dad was under the weather today, so I just decided to make something quick and fast for him so he can have something to eat. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to take this ground turkey from Genio. Then I add 2 cans of chicken broth. Next, I add some white rice. I usually don't use this rice, but this was the only one on sale and I just needed a small bag, so I got this. Next, you'll need green bell pepper. Then you need a yellow onion, some celery. Next, some carrots. 1 cup of whole milk or any milk that you like. This is just chicken based that came from my store, so it's like for chicken noodle soup. Then also I strained the white rice after I cooked it because I don't like it to be sticky. Therefore I had run some cold water over the rice. Now I'm just dicing up the green bell pepper. I usually cut the bell peppers smaller, or actually all the veggies smaller, but my dad actually loves vegetables and he was trying to eat before he took a nap. So I just wanted to hurry up and get this prepared for him, but normally I do cut them smaller than this, but if you want them big, that's your choice as well. After that, I'm going to add all my veggies to the same container because I'm going to saute them a little bit later to make them a little bit more softer so I don't have to cook them as long with the rest of the food. So I'm just putting them in a container. So I pulled apart 1 stalk of celery and I'm just cutting that up. Normally I cut them smaller, but like I said, my dad kept whining in the background that he was ready to eat. So I just cut them up very quickly so he can have something to eat. So as you can see, I just have all the veggies cut up and I put them all into 1 container. Like I said, I like to cut them smaller, but my dad doesn't mind that they're bigger. But yeah, they all look great. So now I'm just seasoning the ground turkey with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. We don't eat pork or beef in my house, so this is a good alternative. It's way more healthier for you. And my dad's an older man, so I really don't like to give him stuff that can give him like heartburn because that's basically everything. But anyway, and I just saute that until it's all brown. So now I'm just using another pan that I'm going to saute the veggies in, and I basically just used some olive oil, which is the extra light olive oil by Bertolli. You guys can use any brand you want. That was just the one we had on hand, but it's really good. And now it's nice and brown. And back to the veggies. So this is how they look when I first start out. I just saute them until they get a little bit of soggy. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of the chicken base because I want to see how it tastes first before I add more and before I add the rest of the ingredients to the recipe. So now I've added it all together. I've added the rice, I added 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of chicken broth, I added the veggies, and I just let it cook for a little bit longer, and it's a quick and easy dinner. Well, thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, or you could do this quick and easy recipe yourself. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and anyone who subscribed, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.